Hello everyone, welcome back to SLG channel. Today's topic is English conversation. This video shows an English conversation between a teacher and a student during exam preparation. It highlights the problems students face while studying and how a teacher helps by giving simple solutions. The conversation also shows the importance of communication between teachers and students in supporting learning and success. Hello, my dear student. How are you? How are your studies going on these days? We have been doing continuous revisions. Are you able to learn everything properly and understand the concepts clearly?
Yes, ma'am, I am preparing regularly, but sometimes I get distracted while studying, even when it's my favorite subject. I lose focus and I don't know why.
That's okay, dear. Many students face this problem. There can be different reasons for distractions nowadays. Technology adds to it. But tell me what usually distracts you.
Ma'am, honestly, not technology. We don't have a TV at home, and I only use my phone for study purposes. Still, my mind starts wandering when I sit to study. I can't focus for long.
When you study continuously for a long time, your mind gets tired, your brain sends you signals. It's time to rest. That's when you start feeling distracted or bored.
Yes, ma'am, exactly. When I study for too long, I suddenly feel like looking around or taking a small break for 5 to 10 minutes.
Right, that's one reason mental fatigue. But you can overcome it by training your mind. Tell your mind that this is my study time. I will stay focused. If you repeat it a few times every day, your brain will start accepting it as a command. It will become a habit, just like brushing your teeth or waking up for school.
So, ma'am, I should keep reminding my brain now it's study time. Don't get distracted.
Exactly. And remember, take small breaks, stretch, drink some water, then come back and continue. Focus improves when the body and brain both stay fresh. Let's try this method for a week. If it works, wonderful. If not, we will find another way because remember, there's always a solution to every problem.
Yes, ma'am, I will try this starting today. Thank you so much.
That's my student, focused and determined. Keep it up. Moral of the conversation is distractions are natural, but focus is a choice. Train your mind, and success will follow you.